Happy Friday, everyone. It's NFP Friday. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to the stream. Welcome if you're new here. Welcome if you're old here, if you've been here forever. So, it's going to be an interesting day. It's NFP Friday. And also, we're very close to 100K subs on this channel. So close. Phew, so fun, so scary. So next week, when I'm unboxing my silver button, then I'll do, the giveaways we're talking about. Kind of funny how you guys voted pretty much 51-49 on what kind of trading laptop you'd want or what kind of laptop. So I'll just let the winner decide, but we'll be giving away either a MacBook Pro or like a Windows gaming laptop. The winner will decide. And then also I'll be reaching out to some like companies, whether or not they want to sponsor some like other giveaways for funded accounts, eval accounts, or like software subscriptions. What's up? ICT's here. Good morning. 100K. Let's go, girl. Thank you. Thank you, ICT. ICT's been here since the beginning, you guys. Literally since day one, like my first video. And pretty much like first full week of streaming as well, like in January. Pretty crazy. I started streaming like the second or third week of December for a couple days, and then I really started in the new year. So we have to open in about 5 minutes. You guys are mostly voting bullish. Welcome Shabel Sigbini to the Bagel Buddy Club. Brett says, if you remember the sunflower photo, you're OG. Very true. That's before I even did my face reveal. Pretty crazy. This was 8:30, like damage in both ways. Pretty crazy. I'll be right back. Okay. Damage in both ways. Oh my god, what happened there? Okay, we're good. So, buy-side liquidities here I've marked out. Yesterday we were bullish. We did really well. I did mark out these equal highs. We did hit them like at 11:20 or so, I think. 11:45. Okay, cool. Equal highs, I mean. Pretty crazy morning yesterday, right? But we still got the W. Very patient, very good. Super good day. I'm pretty happy for yesterday, like my patience. It's definitely super exhausted. Definitely being a trader is like being a professional athlete, because that's my New Year's resolution, is having a proper recovery session, like a cool down. That's basically what happened. Is like we on ES and NQ, we came back down into 4-hour fair value gap. Took out those equal highs. We inverted on the 1 hour on NQ. I am bullish. I have this buy side marked out. Some people here are saying TGIF. I don't really think so. It's not like every day was bullish, right? Is every day green on the daily? Ugh, it kind of is. But it's not super green. See Monday. Tuesday wasn't green here on ES. I think it's still more likely to go for buy side. But I'm gonna basically wait and see. Do we have 10 a.m. news or not today? Yeah, like orange folder, preliminary U of M consumer sentiment. That's just preliminary though. Okay. But the actual one is always red folder and sort of volatile. So we're inside this range. We have abnormal wicks on both sides on NQ and ES, which is kind of interesting. On the 5 at least. The one on the top is more abnormal. Mark out 9:30 is about to happen, the open. So this could be interesting. Did take out some sell side. There's not really a clean like breaker setup or anything on the 5 that I would be interested in at the moment. CES. Yeah, same thing. ES, not really the cleanest there. But ES came back into this 4-hour. Did NQ do so? No. Okay. I'll mark this out as sell side potential. But we retraced into this 4-hour fair value gap on ES. On NQ, like there is a tiny one here, but it didn't retrace into this one in the middle. From here to here. Yeah, and this did not retrace to 50% either, so it is possible it can before going higher. I could see that as a possibility if too many people are in longs and bullish. So kind of just wait. Get those equal highs. We didn't retrace or take out more like liquidity or manipulate, so I'll have to wait. And I'll mark out first presented fair value gap of the day. And I'll mark out 10 a.m. moderate. Orange folder. Okay. Quite the surge at the open. We just really popped up on NQ. Like that was a huge 1-minute candle. Humongous, honestly. It's probably like 50-point candle. Okay, 32-point candle. Might just end up going for that buy side without me, which is fine. Boom, boom, boom. What are we doing right now? Okay. The first 5 minutes of the day is a huge candle. About 80 points there. What's the ATR in the dailies? Let's see. Okay, last 5 days has been average true range of 359 points on NQ. It's like less than usual because I remember when it was 450 a few days ago. So we had volatility has died down a bit. That being said, it's NFP Friday. The range could be bigger. But NFP Fridays are typically not like trending days. So if we hit this buy side liquidity, I'll just have to wait and see if a potential reversal happens or something. We did hit the 830 news high, right? Yeah. For both ES and NQ. Okay. And what's up? We're up 0.12% on the day on ES, but more on NQ, 0.3. Okay, 0.34. Yeah, things are sort of flat. Only thing that's kind of down is Amazon for 2%. Okay. Looks like NQ is going to run for that buy side. How do you copy trade all your prop accounts in one, Tanya? Replicanto. The link's in the description. You have to have NinjaTrader. And then NinjaTrader bought Tradeovate, so then you can just click configure and then click add account, click NinjaTrader, and put your Tradeovate credentials in there. And then you have to use Replicanto, which is like one-time payment of like, I don't know, $200 or something. Or Replicanto, whatever it is. Kanto. I used to play Pokemon when I was younger. Here, we ran that buy side NQ. Hmm. Sometimes people like to talk about how I drink a lot of water, but I'm also like talking for 2 hours straight. It's a lot. Also, I'm drinking electrolytes in my water. Gotta stay hydrated. Honestly, though, electrolytes help. Oh yeah, we just like wicked that buy side. 4 hour buy side. We wicked January 31st highs on NQ. Yeah, the question is, are we we could honestly, I'm not really gonna go flip bearish right away. We could literally continue for these highs. These are kind of smooth as well. No? These highs are pretty smooth to me. Potential. So I'll mark that as well. And it really depends on reactions. Honestly, I wouldn't. I want to see some kind of manipulation leg before I go long. ES kind of lagging. ES still has like 30 points until that buy side as well, so that's why I wouldn't really go bearish either. Right? It's possible. It's possible it does take out sell side now, and then it takes out more buy side. Like, that's not out of the question for me. Gotta see. Could take out trendline liquidity as well. Like, there's all sorts of things that could happen. Kind of need just more data. So far at the open, we just kind of just ran towards buy side. That's it. Ran straight there. 90 points in 5 minutes. I want to see on the hourly here. Yeah. So we inverted this here. It's like at 4 p.m. yesterday. It's looking more bullish. That was that. What happened? When was this? This was during NFP. Okay. Are you guys still mostly bullish? Let's see. What did chat vote? 56% said bullish. Tanya trades. First FEG is 931. Oh yeah, thanks. For some reason I thought this was 931. TY. And ES as well, I think. Yeah. And ES retraced to its first fair value gap of the day. Still continuing higher. New high of day for ES here. See how this 15-minute closes. Be nice if it closes above the pre-market highs, NFP highs. So since we actually did take out this high, I do wonder where's TGIF if I mark out the range from Monday to Thursday. So 20% would be all the way down here. Inside this, well, actually below this daily fair value gap. It's possible. What if I just like measured it to here though? Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is the sell side, so I'll mark it out, just like I marked it out on ES as well. This 4-hour potential sell side. Would be kind of epic if it did actually move that much. That's 250 points. That being said, I wouldn't really like plenty of time to get into a move like that for confirmation. I would need at least like a 15-minute getting this close below, like change in state and delivery for me to get involved in that. Like this would need to get inverted and close below on the 5. So let's see, we kind of are stalling here. I wouldn't be surprised if we do, you know, start displacing lower. Wouldn't be surprising to me, at least. See what NQ does. He is holding up stronger. What's the Dow doing? Dow is like flat on the day. Dow pretty much almost filled its gap up. What about here on ES and NQ? Do we have a gap up? Probably not, right? No. Oh, we did on ES and NQ. Filled about a quarter of it. Yeah, not a lot of movement. Most of the movement was like the first 5 minutes. 9:50 macro coming up and 10:10 moderate news, so keep an eye out on that. Kind of slow for NFP, you know? I don't know. I do like on NFP. I do like to look for reversals at 10, but we'll see what ends up happening. Oh, I just installed this like LED strip, by the way. This LED, whatever that's called, tube light, RGB tube light. I don't know. You gotta make it green because you want your P&L to be green. I do. I'm not superstitious, but I am a little stitious. So NQ did actually like retrace in this first presented fair value gap just a tiny bit there. Benjamin Hollard says, Tanya, I'm baffled. This week, some really bad earnings and poor NFP, but she wants to keep climbing. Why is this happening? You shouldn't really question why too much. The market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent, as they say, right? I don't really think that the earnings were that bad. Google missed by like 0.22% or something. I feel like that was an over-exaggeration. What's Google up to today? It's down 0.8%. Right, did Google hit the weekly fair value gap yet? No, right? Yeah, not yet. Okay. Did we take out that entire the tariff gap down was already taken care of, but not this high yet. But for NQ we did take out the buy side. The entire swing down there. You shouldn't like listen to the news too much. Like literally this drop lasted so little. At that time there was an SMT, right? Yeah, here. I've actually noticed recently, you guys, that ES has been taking out the lows for the SMTs rather than NQ. Typically, it's NQ doing that. So, kind of making note of that. But NQ ran this high, but like I said, it could even run for this high, especially ES still has to go for this here. So far we are holding strong, But again, I don't really see much for long personally. At the moment. Need to see some kind of manipulation. Leg for me to go long. Here's 950 starting now. These candles are moving quite slow, I feel like. But also, when you're super focused, you guys, the time does move slower. It pretty much lines up with the 5-minute fair value gap that closed above this high. So 50% of this range is within here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I mean, it would be nice to generate liquidity, have some sort of manipulation. So far, we are really just not. See the 15. Yeah, a nice close above this. We have orange folder news at 10. See what happens. It could be actually kind of volatile. We'll see. Because U of M sentiment can be, but this is just preliminary, so. I really wouldn't mind even if it ran some sell side, this sell side too. I'll need to see. I'll let the bot, like the candle closures, let me know what's going on. So if I were again back in this first presented fair value gap here in Q, this could potentially end up, being a failed bull flag. You can go down here. I'm gonna wait and see. ES just holding up near its high of day. Let's see what the heat map's looking like. Kind of flat, kind of boring. YM is going towards new high of day. YM's finally heading for that 830. Just hit the 830 data highs. Cool. So we'll see if this ends up taking out some sell side. We are seeing some continuation lower now for NQ. We'll see. If I think it's gonna go for sell side, like I said, I kind of want 5-minute and 15-minute displacements. Otherwise, I'm gonna assume it's just like manipulation to go higher. We'll see. Nothing right now for me. Moved lower about 66 points from where I said could potentially retrace, pull back. Did that in the last like 5 minutes. Okay. See how this 5-minute candle closes. We'll see what the 10 a.m. news does now. Use it about 30 seconds, 50 seconds. Boom. That was a humongous drop on ES and on Q. Holy crap. Holy moly. It's 110 points in like 1 second there. Holy crap. I said I thought it could be potentially a big move, but like I didn't think that big. Holy crap. Sorry, that I have not seen. What the? That's why you gotta stay safe in this environment. Holy shit. What the fuck was that? I'm sorry, not even sorry. What the hell? Straight up manipulation, if that's watch that be straight up manipulation. It'd be kind of be hilarious. That was crazy. I saw ES move, like, literally took a second for it to even load on the screen. ES moved 20 points in like 1 second. That was insane. All right, well, we ran the data lows again. We ran sell side for sure. You know, let's see here. That was crazy. That orange folder news. So they increased their inflation expectations and this consumer sentiment's worse. Yeah, okay. That was insane. Okay, so what happened now? Well, obviously we did displace lower. I guess it's gonna go for the sell side. I don't know if I'll find any kind of entry because it's just insane. What a wipeout. Damn, I wonder how many people like got killed there. Definitely a bunch of blown accounts there. Okay, let's see here. Try to stay focused. Yeah, the potential is starting to look more and more likely that we're going to go for these lows. Like this 4-hour candle has just started. See this hourly candle? Just started. 15-minute, you know. Question is if I'm going to find an entry before it's that. It'll be okay if I miss it. Sometimes you just don't get the entry. I'd rather wait for proper retracement than this is crazy. Someone said Diddy drop. Yo, that's crazy. Your ES is hitting that the data lows now. Yeah, I don't really see any type of like entry I could have taken on NQ, and I would don't want a 70-point stop, 80-point stop on this. So after I take some data lows, so I'm good on missing out if it ends up hitting this before I get an entry. I'll wait. But this is insane for sure. Ray H says, please tell me you caught that trade. No, I'm not going to be in a trade before 10 a.m. news. All right, let's see here what kind of retracement we get. Maybe we take out some buy side and continue first with the sell side. Gotta stay focused here. Definitely want to see here. Where's 50% of this huge leg down? All the way here. About here for ES. Honestly, I'll see. It's either I'll look for like a manipulation into here and then I want an inversion or some kind of market structure shift for me to go for this. Or you know, if this gets inverted, then we're gonna go for this probably. Oh, actually, this is cool. Apparently this is new on TradingView. You click demonstration here. Yeah, like just like I said, oh, if like maybe here this goes to, wait, why can't I click? Oh, I don't know. It's supposed to be a drawing thing. So, whatever. That's fine, I'll use my paintbrush. So yeah, I'm kind of looking for retracement to 50% at least before going down again. You know, we have 15-minute, 5-minute fair value gap forming at the moment. 15 minutes. So I'd like to see at least like a 30-second, some sort of manipulation. If it's going to go lower, you know. This is crazy. This is 10 a.m. news, so I'll definitely keep an eye at this. Like, how does this react here? This 10 a.m. fair value gap candle, right? Because that was the news candle, actually. That's pretty much above 50% of the range. I wonder if it's going to reprice to it. But it has the potential. So far, I didn't take out any swing high yet. But, you know, that's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for maybe do, and then like that, or whatever it wants to do. If it doesn't manipulate, then I'm not going to get in. Then straight up doesn't even want to retrace into a 5-minute fair value gap. I don't care. It's fine. It's a pretty crazy environment. See here. It's going to invert this. It'd be kind of crazy. See what happens here. It's like last line in the sand for the bullish price movement up for the moment. Actually did invert it. We'll see. It could be sloppy. Yes, holding up a moment. But yeah, there's no break of a swing high or anything. It's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. No SMT either. See, where's the bearish breaker? All the way up here too. Super heavy, I guess. I'm waiting. Price wants to do whatever it wants to do. If it takes the sell side, I'll wait for a reversal again. I don't care. Then I'll wait for a reversal to the upside. Wow. All right, we just took sell side on NQ. We're in that daily fair value gap. Yep, I just have to wait. See, ES, is ES gonna hit this? NQ is down 0.8%, ES is down 0.4%. What's the heat map look like? Oh, Amazon's down 4% and Google's down 2.8%. Oh yeah, Amazon had earnings. But like, what was the? Didn't move that much lower. Yeah. Okay. That's fine. Google's really close to its weekly fair value gap. Super close. This could end up being a SMT in the 4-hour left. Well, actually, on the would it be hourly? I honestly don't know if it will. I think it's possible it could reach, like, NQ could reach further into here as well, and ES can take this out, especially Google is like what I'm talking about with like Google. Look at the weekly here. It's super close to hitting this, so it still has more room to go. Yes, back to NQ here. Yes, this is the low that broke new low of day. Fair value gap that broke new low of day. What time is it? It's 10:17. You want to see if there's continuation to here. And then maybe there'll be a reversal later on in the day. But right now, the reversals just started from at 10. It's NFP 10:17. Yeah. Okay. Something I'm like keeping in mind though is like the ranges are so big. Once I do enter a trade, like it could be a really big stop. So I'll have to I'm keeping in mind that I'm going to take a smaller position size to account for that. Yeah. See what happens. We're seeing some, I don't know. Could be a potential SMR starting here. Smart money reversal, we'll see. Too early to tell at the moment. I personally probably would want to wait until we close above here. But you can mark out potential. See? If so, I'd like the displacement above here, like a 5-minute order block to be created. You can see on the 3-minute, we're just kind of reaching deeper into this FEG at the moment. So we'll see what it does. Kind of gonna ping pong between the two. Which one does it respect now? This bullish one on the 1. It's a potential smart money reversal, or, you know, continue lower and ES hits this sell side. We'll see. Google still has weekly fair value gap. It's literally only $1. How many points? Yeah, $1 away or so. Yeah. Okay, NQ is respecting this. Bullish 1 minute. See it, you know, ES is also respecting its bullish 1 minute after it's kind of the same thing. So we'll see if ES ends up inverting this. You know, do we see clean continuation of bullish structure? We'll see. I know some of you guys are definitely saying that you're in longs in the chat already or something. Good luck if you are. It's possible. We did hit like a 4-hour sell side. You have a 1 minute shift. Personally, if it's a 4-hour, I want to see like a 5-minute shift. At least if it's a 4-hour point of interest for me, or daily. Because you can be too soon on the 1 minute, especially if it's just reaching into a higher time frame SIBI. So I'd rather miss out on the first, on the SMR. I think some people ask me that question sometimes, like, why didn't you take this or something? It's just a personal preference. Okay, we'll see. I'd rather wait for more confirmation, you know? So it is breaking another swing high, which is nice. I'd like it to really, you know, displace and back over here. Yeah, we could potentially then run for this buy side. We'll see. Again, too early to tell. This 3 minute. Not really the cleanest close on this one. See on this one. Like, I'd want to see an inversion as the potential beginning market structure shift. Go to the 2 minute. The 2 minute's actually kind of nice. That's actually kind of cleaner in terms of the structure. So let's see. Kind of like the 2 minute, yeah. So we'll see does it invert this? Does it start displacing more? Then you know, then I'll be more comfortable taking longs. Sure, I have everything good. Yeah. Didn't invert it yet, but probably is about to. Kind of like, yeah, super efficient here. Don't really love that, so yeah, still gonna wait. Still waiting. Would like this, right, to be created as an order block then, like on the 5 especially. This is the candle that took liquidity. So I'd like displacements higher. And I'm not gonna feel FOMO because I'm literally just waiting for confirmation. You'll probably have like breakers on the 1, yeah. And the 2. You'll have breaker and order blocks. Kind of. Yeah. So didn't invert this yet on the 2. At the moment, it's just digging into these up close candles. I'm waiting until So it could ping pong again. So maybe it's rejecting here for a little bit, gets bought up here on the 32nd, and then displaces here. Then I'll be more comfortable. We'll see. Don't love how slow the reversal's taking, you know? Like if it's an actual reversal, you kind of want it to be faster. You know, it's already taking like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So kind of noting that. Noting that. Let's see. So it's potentially not a reversal then. We'll see. We'll see. This is not inverted yet. This is not closed above, displaced above yet. Like I'm waiting for that to happen. Yeah, Google's hovering above its weekly fair value gap. Kind of just gonna wait. It's a 2-minute for ES, yeah. Yeah, I kind of like the 2-minute here also better. You have 2 stacked SIBIs here. Put an alert for ES if it takes us out. Yeah, so far you're having like a slow reversal, which is kind of weird. Not gonna lie. Okay. The people that did buy like the first 1-minute shift here, they're actually doing pretty well. They're up like, that's already up 2R, so I would consider taking profits. If I were in that trade, I'm not in that trade. Still waiting. Amazon, Apple, Google. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, Google. Microsoft near its lows. Low day. On its lows of day. Okay. I also want to make sure I know where the midpoint of the entire range is now. Interesting. It's below 10 a.m. news candle. Okay. Yes, back in this bullish FEG. See what happens here. This move down is kind of big, much bigger than the move up. Still on the 2-minute, we ended up inverting, but not like with a displacement. So I'm still waiting. Yes, it's decent. You guys, this is kind of a really slow movement here. Let's see this. It's just moving. It's kind of moving between bullish and bearish. raise on the 1 minute. The 2 we did invert. What to do? Holding that. And retracing into this 1 minute here. So maybe now it ends up inverting this and displacing above. We'll see. Kind of interesting how like the opening of this candle and the swing high are pretty close to each other. Like I'm gonna have that marked out. Maybe this ends up inverting this and then breaking above this swing high, and then maybe I'll get in if there's a displacement, and then I put my stop there. We'll see. Don't know what's gonna happen yet, but I'll be ready if it does. Not like there was any SMTs on the smaller time frame for me to try to short or anything, so, or manipulation. So there's really nothing I'm doing here, just waiting. Mark at 1050 macro. I'm not gonna force any trades, but I'll mark it out. Amazon is down 3.8%. Let me chart Amazon maybe on the daily. That's like, I took out the previous weekly high and retraced back into it. Isn't it funny how like what the market will do is have this cool, really super quick move, and then people that are FOMOing in and things like that, now it's going so slow, it's killing people on IV crush on options for sure. But something I'm just thinking about at the moment. Yeah, I'm still kind of waiting for more bullish confirmation. Yeah. I'm sort of just like playing around with this to see about what the sizing would be like if I did enter something. Let's see here. This is going to end up being an inversion and the confirmation that I'm looking for on the 5. Not looking promising for at the moment.
Next.
It looks okay now. Now it is looking promising. All right, let's see. What would that be? You need like 5 micros. Really nice. You're getting displacements here. Took out this buy side. Like all the people that were powering in, trying to short this, getting stopped. Let's see if this ends up being like a breaker unicorn setup. We'll see. Be careful. I do like it. I even like it here. Time is at 10:38. And then here's a 5-minute. There's still 1 minute and 33 seconds left. The first little tap into here. I'm just gonna know on the 32nd this fair value gap. So now we have 2 of them here. So 1 minute here. Yeah. Stop. I can't read the donation now, sorry. Why would you give me a donation right when I'm like saying I'm looking for a trade? Oh, sorry, Kimmel. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, you guys, I am looking to get in here. Yeah. Like a 5. 5. See if I get in. Okay. Here on the 1 and here. The stop would be here. You do have an S&T now, though. And this 5, it didn't close above it. What the hell? Well, I'm in it. So this is potentially going to take me out quickly, but we'll see. I just like the continuation trade. I don't love that the close was like that, so. What did Kimmel say? I don't love the close like that. I also don't love, I think that if you're closing and displacing here, you do want to see quick. So right now, I do want to see quickly getting bought up here. I don't want to be in drawdown for long. If I am drawdown for like more than 3 minutes, you know, that's no good. So I do want to see like a quick, this breaker holding, quick move up back higher. I am in slight drawdown, like immediate drawdown, but I'm still in this trade. The RR is like really nice. And sorry, Kimmel. What did he say? He said, "Congrats on 100K subs. Let's crush 2025. Thank you, thank you." But I'm in a trade. I'm in longs, you guys. I've waited for longs for a while. So let's see how it goes. I like literally waited so long for these longs. Maybe my entry was like not the best, but because I thought maybe on the 32nd it can just pick up here real quick and start really displacing, but you're not really getting much. So let's see. I don't want to be in drawdown for like more than 3 minutes or so. So I've been in drawdown for like 2 minutes. I want to see ES also breaking the high. I don't want to see this kind of SMT happen. So I'm being very careful here at the moment. I don't want us to hang around here too much. But yeah, I have smaller sizing. You see like only like 5 contracts or so because you need a wide stop here. So far, we're inside the last 5-minute candle. We haven't moved much. Not loving that because I want like quick speed out of there. If I was right on this trade, I probably would have been already in profit. So I don't like this coming down lower. We'll see. I'm gonna give it like another 5 minutes or so. Yeah. 1050 this. Down like 0.5 R. Let's see. Don't want to be in drawdown for more than a couple minutes though. Right, I'm good. Here. Honestly, I'm aiming for like all the way up here, these equal highs. So it's a crazy trade, I know. Yeah, ES is going lower, SMT probably gonna get stopped. Let's see. Ugly. Very ugly. The 2 minute there. This is the last line in the sand for NQ. Really don't love this. I honestly, I wanted a breaker here. We ended up not displacing. I'm kind of getting in early at that point, but it's fine. Don't love that SMT either. Don't love this either. Honestly. Might end up just cutting this for negative point, like 8R prematurely. It's not worth it anymore. I was in drawdown for like more than 3 minutes. I'm cutting this before it hits the total first stop, total 1R stop. And I'll re-enter only if we get an actual another displacement over a high. So I'm cutting that. Cut it for negative like 0.7R. So let's see. It's like this. I cut it here. It actually hit 100K. Woo! 162. Okay, fine. Okay, well, I don't want to force anything, but I'm still looking for longs. Maybe I should have just taken this to there and then stop break even. Whatever, we'll see. It didn't hit this, which is so funny. Again, I'm not going to get in though. I'm not going to get back in unless the short-term high or something obvious. That is kind of annoying though. Cut it here. Didn't take this now. Okay. I said this is the last line in the sand. It inverted that, which is crazy. No, there's no reason for me to, like, this could potentially now just be a retracement where it goes lower. What's ES doing? Do SMT at the highs here, which I don't love for bullishness, right? Small SMT at the low there, but not much. I'm going to wait until the 5 confirms for longing. For shorting, I mean, yes. Do. Did I even? Okay, yeah. Let's see, you guys. I mean, I don't love that we're having this back and forth action here. So it's kind of like unlikely that there's going to be a nice sharp reversal. Let's see at 1050. What's up? The other option is like you could short ES to the sell side, I guess. But only if it's clean, and this is ugly. This is still ugly. I'll have an alert if it hits this. Which, fine. Back on the 2-minute. Hmm. Why is ES lagging that much? Kind of weird. Mark out 1050 macro. On the 5, right? Might be finally getting the reversal. Okay, this is the order block I want to mark out. I hate how there's no FEGs here on the 1. What is this? There is a tiny one here. On the 2-minute, there is as well. I'm probably gonna end up re-entering this. The 2-minute didn't. Oh my god, bro! Holy shit! 2-minute didn't. What the fuck? Did Trump tweet something? That's crazy. Yo, this market's crazy. What the fuck is happening, you guys? What the hell is happening? What the heck? Holy shit. This is so crazy. Before it could confirm for me, it didn't. What the fuck? I was just looking at the 2-minute for fair value gap to form, and just now we just dumped. Yo, today is a hard day. What the fuck? Yo, that's crazy. This is crazy. What's happening, people? Breaking: Trump told Republican lawmakers he plans to issue reciprocal tariffs as soon as Friday. Okay, well, this is crazy. Yes, took that 4-hour sell side. Honestly, cool. I'm fine with taking a negative 0.8 R. Holy shit, today is a crazy day. Shout out to small stops, because what the fuck? A lot of blown accounts today for sure. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yo, yeah, someone said they're glad their risk was on point. Yeah, me too. I'm like, whatever. I took this tiny loss here. I'm happy if that's my loss for today. Like, okay, well, Google just hit weekly fair value gap. All right, let's keep watching this. This is insanity. Trump sneezed. That is crazy. Holy crap. Let's see. Watch this entire thing now get like reversed. Dude, I'm still watching this. This is crazy. Imagine the people that like got stopped at. That's what I was saying. Imagine like all the people that were shorting in this retracement, then they got stopped out here and here, and they tried again. They got stopped out again, and then this. Imagine how enraged they are. Okay, well, we're hitting another. Finally, that sell side for what is this? What did I mark out here? Probably. This is probably from yesterday, for when I went long. Yeah. I mean, I'm still watching for potential longs, but I mean, this is crazy. It does take some time. I'm like, I got chills just now. How much have we moved there? And that 1 minute candle must be like 100 something points. 174 points. Holy crap. We were literally just up there, and I was like, oh, I'll be looking for the 2 minute fair value gap. And did not close, safe to say, did not make a displacement to the upside there. That's crazy. All right, well, I'm still looking for, I mean, that's what I'm saying, though. If you kind of keep yourself safe if you're waiting for the 5 minute. I was a little premature there for sure, but here, seeing that close, I could have gone out, which I kind of did. I did get out before I hit my stop loss, but yeah, it's kind of staying safe. So here, I'll still mark out this 5 minute high now. Imagine how powerful that breaker will be there. Probably really powerful if it does end up ending up that way. Holy crap. What a day. What an NFP. What a day to hit 100K. At least that. We're going to be giving away, the winner will have a choice between a MacBook Pro and a Windows gaming laptop. I'll put out like a separate video regarding that next week. And then, what else? We'll do other giveaways next week as well. I mean, all in all, we're just like retracing this 1 hour and this 4 hour FEG. Just takes time to reverse if you are going to look for longs, which I'm still interested in longs. Like the question is how long it's going to take. That might just end up happening in the afternoon session a lot of times if the reversal's kind of like at 10. The first reversal, you know. And it hit that sell side already by early in the session. And it takes time for things to work out like that. I'm still watching here. I think then this is like previous, like an order block then, right here. Yeah. A previous buy side target I hit. I wanted yesterday. I mean, I think this was yesterday's. Yeah, because the morning was crazy. But actually, it's the low of the hourly FEG as well. Holy shit, let's pull the chat. Let's pull the chat. Let's see. Did you guys take a trade today? Yeah. Answer the poll in the chat whether took a trade. Yeah, this is insane. Holy moly. And it's like those moves happen when you're just not in a position. It's kind of split 3 ways. I think today there's just like a lot of blown accounts. Kind of sucks for me too. Like I had this buy side noted before pre-market, didn't get any sort of entry, and then 10 a.m. news just dropped completely and just takes out the sell side. No chance to get in. And I did kind of like look for a long in here. I kind of just stopped myself. Took a stop before it hit this, which is fine. I'm happy, honestly, that I didn't get. Who knows if I would have gotten slipped a lot in this candle. Yeah, crazy. I need to see what else did he tweet. Twitter. Powell will be signing executive order next week, ending the ridiculous Biden push for paper straws, which don't work, back to plastic. Elon Musk tweeted that Trump said that. I thought it was going to be something better than that. Okay, here. He didn't tweet anything in the past few minutes. So is he talking, you guys? Someone who said about the tariffs. Let me see. Let me go to Walter Bloomberg. This is what I like to go to him. What did he do? President Trump told Republican lawmakers that he plans to announce reciprocal tariffs as early as Friday. Two sources familiar with plans told reporters on the campaign trail. Trump promised to impose reciprocal tariffs on American imports equal to the rates that trading partners impose on American exports. Okay. The White House did not immediately respond to requests for comment. Sheesh. And what else I like is fast stock market news. Fast stock news. U.S. chip curbs impact China more than expected as TSMC tightens compliance, tells Chinese clients shipments require U.S. whitelist packaging suppliers, takes cautious approach to avoid violations. Holy moly, this move down was crazy. Holy crap. I've never seen honestly, I don't think I've seen a 1 minute candle be 170 points. Maybe I have. But not in a long time. Not in like the past year, I would say. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun year. Yeah, it was funny that the first thing on my feed was about plastic straws. This was like the first thing on my feed. I was literally thinking that it was gonna be the tariff thing. Oh, what a dangerous market. ES, how much do we move there? In 1 minute, we moved 34 points. It's literally like a whole day's range on ES. How much is the daily range, by the way? Okay. What's the chat say? Okay, so it's pretty much split 3 ways. But whether you guys took a trade today, sheesh. That I know that was crazy, and it was literally just like a news. It wasn't that Trump tweeted it either. It was like a news article that broke out. I know, right? I was expecting. That was crazy. Let's look at the 30-second. What was happening there? That was crazy. And 15. I want to. Let's go to the 5-second. Yo. This is like more than NFP. Like, right? 77 points in 5 seconds. 1 second. Sheesh. The 1 second candle. 39. Holy moly. Oh, good thing the long didn't confirm for me there. That's all I can say. That was insane. I don't know. Yeah, I would only be interested in longs again if we broke a 5-minute short-term high displacement. And that might take a while, and that might not even happen. Like, yeah, we could just continue lower today because of the sentiment, the narrative. I don't know. When like news like that hits, can't even understand like reciprocal tariffs to like what, to everybody? You read that again. Read it again. Just like to everyone, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, to whom? That's my question. To sources familiar with the plans. Yeah, that's the source. It's crazy. Someone said that they entered a long right before the drop. Sorry, dude. Did you get slipped? Because honestly, yeah, when it was like a 1 second candle that hit like 40, 70 points. Futures doesn't typically slip you, but it's crazy. Someone said I need a bigger screen to see the chart. Why? Because it was moved so much. The day of living dangerously. Damn, someone said they got slipped a lot. Sorry. Sheesh. Executive order, blow all accounts. What a crazy freaking day. I don't know. Dude, yo, Castillo, definitely make an edit of that, because like I think my reaction to that was just funny. Thank God I wasn't in the trade. Thank God long to not confirm. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. As soon as I saw that 5-minute close, though, I mean, that was the telltale sign. And the fact I was in drawdown for too much. Ugly. 61. Yeah, that's what. I should have just closed there or something, but I closed it here. It's fine. Now, you just have this massive, massive 1-minute fair value gap. I definitely have this marked out as like the 10 a.m. 1-minute FEG. A lot of times, though, you guys like win a move. Yeah, we hit that sell side. If you're gonna have a reversal, that might happen in the afternoon session. I'm not really gonna be too interested in the reversal right now. I'll have my alerts in. But it's very likely because of the news that we're, just gonna leak lower, grind lower, and it could be just like the remainder of the day could just be like that. I don't know what else. Like this was my sell side target for ES. That was my sell side for NQ. Then I was looking for more upside, and so the only way I'd probably get in a trade today is if we get a reversal here. That's unlikely. I guess it was entertaining. Holy crap. What the fuck? I don't even swear. Rarely. Yeah, big drop sideways, agreed. Thank you. Congrats on 100K. Thank you. No, you guys, I'm not green today. I tried that small long and I took thank God, I stop myself out and down $438, and I'm fine with that, honestly. Yesterday I got like plus 770 or something. So it's not like a day to like today, like you just gotta keep safe, like whatever. That's just part of the game. If you got stopped out, or if you got, took a loss, the big thing is like just shrug it off. You just go to the next trade. Every trade is independent of the next. Of the last one. I mean, every trade is independent of the last one, and yeah, you don't want to get caught up now over trading this, because after a huge drop, yeah, it tends to go sideways. Like we did for here. Here we went sideways for like an hour before that next crazy tweet. I mean, crazy news. It wasn't even Trump's tweets though. It was literally just what was it? An article. Yeah. That's funny. Trading around the Trump headlines. You see, we've been barcoding on the 5 basically. It needs to generate liquidity sometimes. If you like, for example, if it is actually going to go for this, like, it needs time, needs more juice or whatever. It can just drop more. I think this is where you like break out the end dogs and end wogs. So is the weekly now red? No, we're still. What's the weekly look like? Actually, do we take out previous week high? Yeah. Right. High here is 68. It's a high here. 66. Yep. What about here? No, yes, took out previous week low. Yeah, that's kind of weird. SMTs on both sides still. Right? Yeah, because this is the yeses. January 31st high. It's going to be a fun year, I think. That's important. That's what I'm saying. That's the importance of, if there's larger ranges, size smaller. Typically, you guys have seen, typically my sizing is like 10 micros to 15 micros, and today I took 5 micros. Why? Because I knew that the stop loss can be much wider, like 40 to 50 points on NFP. That's honestly typically how it goes. Like sometimes you can find 20 points. Like I think probably I was looking at this. Where was it? Yeah, this long was probably like a 28 point stop or so. But that's basically it. That actually worked out for people. Thanks for donation. Hi, Dice. Thank you. Okay, so how do you copy trade using different prop firms? So you go, link is in the description. There's this, you need to have NinjaTrader first off. And then you need to get this, what is like an add-on, like software called Replicanto. It's in the description. And then all your Tradeovate accounts, you just add in by adding them configuration, add, click NinjaTrader, and then put in your Tradeovate credentials there. And then you can like copy trade as many Tradeovate. You can copy trade as many like Tradeovate accounts as you want, and like one Rhythmic account. Oh, we'll see what happens here. That's probably my most frequently asked question. I know, like, I probably should put out a video on that. I just really don't love putting out tutorial videos. But I think my friend Brian Stonk has a video on it. Shout out to Brian Stonk. And notice how, like, yeah, we're just barcoding and we're just wicking. It's fucking ugly. Oh, okay. I think 80% Apex sale ended. Oh yeah, I think that ended yesterday. You're right. Crazy. That's a crazy, like, it was literally a 1 second candle. It was 70 points, I think. Can you see? Oh, 2 second candle was 60 points. The 5 second was 75 points. Or more, yeah. It's actually the range of that 5 second candle is 86 points. But yeah, you see, like, after that huge drop, you typically get gyrations. It's ranging. Nothing clean, unfortunately. But that was like anyone that's eager to short, you know, they're not going anywhere at the moment. Crazy. All I can do is laugh, though. I'm happy. You know, you're down. I'm down only like around 1R or 0.8 R today. I'm fine with that. There's easier days to trade. This is crazy. Yeah, it literally did not give me any the retracements I wanted to get into my entries. And then I took like one premature long, stopped myself out as well prematurely, and that's it. So one trade. Still, I'll have the alerts here throughout the day, but like I said, I think it's unlikely. I think it might just be like a waste of time for me to keep watching it. Someone said I just gave back my bag. Congrats on 100K subscribers. Yeah, thank you, you guys. Shout out. Woo. Shout out to you guys. Now I can probably show the counter, right? What do you think, Castilla? No. Do. Let's see. Audience. How do I go to that? Audience, dashboard, subscribers, channel analytics, see live count. Woo! Yay! 100K. Party this weekend. Party. I'm not gonna party. But we'll be giving I started this channel when was it? Like a little bit over a year ago. I would say a year and a half, but like when I actually started being more serious about it, started it like in October of October 2023, posting It's crazy. It's been crazy. Super Bowl party. Yeah, I actually did buy, for the first time ever, I bought some Super Bowl squares. I never ever do put money down in sports, but I don't know. Kind of make the game more a little bit more interesting. And also just like, it's more like, oh, my friends are playing it, so I'll put down. Tanya, will you vlog getting the 100K play button from YouTube? Yeah, I will. Even ICT said like, oh, I want to see you unboxing it. So I will. I'll post the unboxing when I get it. And then I will, in that video, I'll also like announce the giveaway rules and how it'll be structured and stuff. Woo! So I get that silver button plaque. And I'll put it in like maybe I'll hang it in the background here. Yeah, since I'm doing it. Why does the sound so echoey? Is it echoey? I'll put in maybe I'll put in some wood sound panels. It's probably because I yelled. Woo! I like that there's fireworks. Yay! Shout out if you're a new subscriber. If you're here for the first time today, we'll be back here next week. But when? Let's see what's on Monday. I'll be back on Tuesday. Tuesday, 10 a.m. Fed Chair Powell testifies. Actually, that's going to be really fun to watch. We should just bring some popcorn to that because that's always like a crazy movement. One, two, three. It's kind of like, I guess just the three drives are working out for. Let's see. What time is it? It's 11:28. Okay. Is there more sell side to go for? If it wants to, I mean, this could be the start. But the thing is, we already reached. I'm still not particularly bearish. We're like in this 4-hour fair value gap on ES and NQ, a huge one. That's why I'm just waiting for a 5-minute shift and putting alerts for that. But yeah, that's not going to happen for a while if it does. Otherwise, if this 4-hour gets inverted, then I'll probably think otherwise on next week's bias. You know, we have plenty of time. But yeah, overall the week is ended green, so don't let like some news headline inform your bias too much. Never. Walks. Is that really how big the NWOG is on ES? I guess so. What? Yeah. That was the tariff gapped out. Okay. It's not really much help. I need to check my group. My group chat's probably blowing up. That was crazy. The NWOG battle is crazy on NQ. Yeah. Jeez. All right, so now for the 5-minute. You know, ideally, I want a breaker to be a breaker. But that's not even an up close candle. None of them are, obviously. So, you know, a lot of alerts there. But like I said, it's unlikely. And I'm telling you, like, Fridays are the easiest days to blow up accounts. It's the end of the week, and you're like the most Friday afternoons because you're the most tired from like the whole week, right? Crazy. But anyway, yeah, I will vlog the silver button unboxing. And that's it. I mean, I stay safe this Friday. We'll be back here on Tuesday live streaming, and you know, keep an eye out for a couple videos coming out. And we'll be giving away a bunch of things next week, like laptop, software account, probably some funded challenges. We'll see. Just to celebrate. Why not? But what's crazy is that, yeah, you guys, I put out a poll earlier this week. Do you guys want a MacBook Pro or do you want a Windows gaming laptop? Reasoning is like, I don't know. MacBook Pros are super popular, even though I trade on a PC. And Ninja Trader is like only really compatible with PC, by the way. But, you know, the chat voted 51% MacBook Pro, 49% gaming laptop. So I'll just let the winner decide. That's what we'll do for that one. Because it was so close. I didn't think that was going to be that close. Yeah, the winner will decide. Can you do a poll of did you blow the account today? Okay, let's do that. Okay. Yes or none. So even if you like blew one account, you have to vote yes. Let's see. See if people are responsible in this chat. Thank you, Charmaine. Our polo bear sweater is fire. Thank you. I wore it today because I was like, ooh, it's a happy celebratory day. It's a teddy bear playing golf and he's sipping on like a whiskey. It's literally a golf sweater, I think, too. Like, it says RLX, Ralph Lauren like sport, and it's a great sweater because it's like warm and not too hot. Like, I don't sweat in it or anything. I did play golf with this sweater on in Florida. We'll put out the Florida vlog soon. That's gonna be fun. When the first time I went golfing on a golf course in real life, like an outdoor golf course, because I've just been learning on the simulator. Because what's awesome is about my new building is that there's a golf simulator in the amenities. I've been practicing on that. I got a few lessons. But my first time out on the golf course, on the last hole, we play 9 holes, I got a par. On my first time out on the golf course. It was kind of incredible. And, you know, Dodgy filmed it because he filmed my first swing where it got onto the green. Which is pretty cool. It's on video too, so it's fun And I realized why I actually really enjoy golf is that I have such low expectations for myself for golf. So like anything that's like not horrible, I'm like pleasantly surprised and I'm happy about. So that's why I can really can enjoy myself then, because the bar is to the floor. So that was like, oh, I actually did well. Like that was crazy. I mean, even yeah, Dodgy and Matt and Nick were like, what? What just happened? So it was fun. So 77% said they didn't blow an account, 23% said yes. Interesting. Yeah, thanks for 100K subs. I mean, that's it for me for unless we, like I said, I'll put in alerts. Unless we kind of have an obvious displacement around about above a 5 minute high, I wouldn't really touch longs with a stick, honestly. Like you have just some news and it's very likely a huge drop that it's just gonna barcode. So have a safe Friday. I'm gonna hop off and I'm gonna go have my little recovery cool down session for sure. Like even watching those candles, it was crazy. At least it was entertaining. And thanks if you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you've been a regular, see you next week. And shout out to you for supporting all this time. And yeah, so 2025 is going to be my biggest year yet. I feel it and I know it. Like my trading's gotten a lot, so much better, and just my mental game. So have a great weekend. Don't be a degenerate today. And I'll see you next week. Bye.